My favorite part about this benchtop drill press is variably constant. So here's where you turn it on. So this thing is just gliding at 1600 RPMs. And the way the old style was more of a step pulley system here. But this one right here is a constant variable. So what that means is you've got a wand here that you can move, and as you move, it changes that belt position. So ideally what you want to do is adjust this with it running. So we kick it back on at 1700 RPM. As you see, as we rotate this lever here, it changes that belt diameter, which is going to in turn change our RPM. So as you see, it's changed. We're 1430, or if we want to speed it up, we just raise it up there. So this right here being a constant variable 12-inch drill press, and what we're looking at is a range of 580 RPM to 3200. So this right here is a benchtop model, and you're talking about 15 minutes of setup time out of the box here. So this chuck here has a range on it from 0.8 up to 16 millimeters. So that's a pretty decent range to be able to have for that chuck. Three-prong position here, and another thing that I like about it, it's got a light and a laser, so you can run independently either one of them. And this right here can actually rotate around, so that way you can get your laser in and get your piece, mounted where you need it to be. So this right here also is set up on a 110 motor. And another thing that I like about it, it's got a couple of set screws in it here that's adjustable. So once you can rotate the head of it or the base of it. And this right here on the side of it, you've actually got lockers on it. So you can lock and unlock it with the position handle here, and then be able to rotate this up and down. Unlike some of the others, you just slide it up and down on the shaft, having to wiggle back and forth. But this right here is just one step away from being automated. But hey, this right here can switch around, or the head of it can. But this is a benchtop mount, so you just mount it directly to your benchtop there. And you've got a throw on it of about 3¼ of an inch there. And that would be adjustable also based off of the rear shank on it. So this right here is a pretty solid setup, but you can check the link down below to find out more details. This is a 12-inch, but they also have a 10-inch available also. So you're talking a 5-amp motor on this right here. But the Weaver variable speed constant drill press. Check it out. The link down below, guys. You will not be disappointed. But how cool is that? You bring it up and down. If you need to change your speed while you're running, all you got to do is move the lever, and that moves the top in turn, changing your RPMs. Sweet setup there.